What is up and welcome to another video. Join me today guys. Bitcoin, what is happening with Bitcoin? So according to CoinDesk, Gary Gensler might cancel or might disapprove or reject the Bitcoin spot ETF proposals. So I think this is one of the main reason why the market is dumping right now, and most of our altcoins have dumped harder than Bitcoin, guys. So Bitcoin today dropped by almost 8%, and some of our altcoins was going crazy. It was a pump in or a pump and dump and pump scheme. So we have seen people pumping crazy up to 0.07, guys. Also ENS SLP is going crazy as well. So join me today, guys. We are going to navigate the market. We are going to talk about the Bitcoin spot ETF application. We are going to talk about Gary Gensler. We are going to talk about the amount of liquidation and where are we heading in the coming days, guys. So I have prepared several chart updates for you today. If you have watched my previous video explaining the major altcoins, and today if you are following me on Twitter, if you are in our Discord community, guys, I'm gonna share with you very important warning about what happened today. So if you're ready, let's dive right in.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All right, so let me just pull up my chart here. People, all right, let me just window capture this one. All right, so most of our major cryptos right now are dumping hard. Bitcoin down by almost 8% today, guys. Ethereum is also down by 6%. Solana is down by 10%. Nasty drop today. XRP also down by 8%. So most of our altcoin major cryptos right now are trading below the support, guys. What will be the next target? So I'm going to share with you my thoughts today of the possible next move of this major altcoins. And of course, we are going to talk about one bonus chart that you need to keep an eye on. We have Jaideep joining us today. We have also M. Umar 505. How are you doing? Chill. I'm doing great, man. And we had a lot of good trades today in our Discord community. So what are the trending cryptos today? We have SEI on the list. I think majority are talking about SEI could be the next possible Solana, guys. What do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And by the way, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you're new. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to click that notification bell. Bonk is down by 15% today. ICP is also going crazy, guys. If you have you watched my previous analysis about ICP, the target of that is around $22, and major target is $80. And if you have watched that video, congratulations, because we have hit our final target today. Let's go check out the news about the spot Bitcoin ETF that caused the drop today, guys. So this is one of the main reason why Bitcoin and most of the altcoins have dropped nasty today, guys. Bitcoin spot ETF proposal to be rejected by the Securities and Exchange Commission. According to Matrix Port, guys, Securities and Exchange Commission chairman Gary Gensler is not embracing crypto in the United States. And it might even be a very long shot to expect that he would vote to approve Bitcoin spot ETF. So looks like we are not expecting an approval. What do you think of this? Could this be a FUD before the major pump, guys? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Filecoin new target this year. Filecoin was almost near our cup and handle target. So let's check that out later, guys. Crypto investment services provider Matrix Port expect the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC to reject, take note, reject all application to list a spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund or ETF this month. So it could happen this next month, but not this month, guys. It's not happening according to this article. So the current 5-person voting commissioners leadership critical for ETF approval of the Securities and Exchange Commission is dominated by Democrats, wrote the firm in a note on Wednesday. Securities and Exchange Commission Chair Gensler is not embracing crypto in the United States, and it might even be a very long shot to expect that he would vote to approve Bitcoin spot ETF. So what do you think of this, guys? Are we expecting an approval or not at all? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. A lot of longs today got liquidated, guys. Almost 95% of long positions got liquidated in the past 24 hours. So this is a huge number, guys. Almost $500 million liquidated in the past 24 hours. Overall, $578 million of long position got liquidated. 89% of this is from OKX, 80% from Binance. So let me know, are you one of the traders that got liquidated, guys? How many viewers? We have 5,000 viewers on Twitter, and we have almost 8,000 on YouTube, guys. We have also 5,000 on Facebook. So we have a lot of viewers today because of this ongoing pump and dump scheme in the market. So today I have taken advantage of one of those, which is people, guys. So don't trade scam because you will get liquidated. Look at this kind of move, guys. Crazy move. Look at this. How many percent? From this area right here, it pumped by almost 500%, and then it dumped by almost 67%. So pump and dump scheme, guys. Right now, I have closed my trade. This was a quick trade, but I have shared it in our Discord community. So today, if you are a member of our community, guys, I have warned early this morning that we could see a stop hunt today, or we might see a candle wick. And look at this, guys. Crazy candle wick, stop hunt. Luckily, we're able to take profit in most of these trades, guys, before the dump. Exactly before the price dump, we have taken profit, and I will show you the proof. All right, so this was my tweet today. If you are not following me on Twitter, and if you want to stay up to date with my latest trades, analysis, updates about crypto, be sure to follow me on all my social media accounts. Be careful with longs today. So this is very specific warning, guys. Be careful with longs today.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Most of the prices are hovering between support and resistance in the lower time frames. No trade zone. We might see a wick stop hunt today.
I got a bad
So
feeling
that
about
was
this.
a very specific warning. And I have shared that one in our free public Telegram group. I have shared this warning on my Twitter account. I just want to warn everyone, guys, and I want to save you from getting wrecked by this crazy move in the market. So this was my tweet today. I have shared this one as well in our Discord community, guys. So here's the tweet. Here's the post rather. Be careful with longs. The exact same post on Twitter was shared in our Discord earlier today, 8:44 a.m. The reason why, also this one, take note, guys. The reason why many people lose money in crypto is because they all want to get rich quickly, especially when they see this kind of move. Like, people, they want to take advantage of this move, guys. But most of the time, majority of the time, you will get wrecked because you want to get rich quickly, and that is not going to happen. In my own experience, you will lose your money quickly if you get tempted, or if you FOMO in most of these trades. So trading is a waiting game where most patient individuals, those with the correct mindset and a solid plan, are the ones who ultimately win. So the plan today, guys, was to wait. And of course, I have shared several good trades before this dump happened, like Cyber. This was about to break out here, and we have made significant gains, guys. I'm posting updates. Check it out. Don't complain later when I'm not online. Don't FOMO. Focus on your own trades. If you succumb to FOMO, you'll jump from one trade to another, consistently missing out. So just focus on your own trade. If you're holding one specific crypto, or like if you're holding altcoin and your altcoin is not moving, just wait patiently, guys. The time will come, because most of the altcoins are going on a cycle. So if you jump from one trade to another, if you FOMO from one trade to another, then it is likely that you will miss out in most of the good trades.
Let's go!
So here are some of the results today, guys. BNB, this was the initial 75%. Cyber, 20% leverage at 86%, guys. This was the initial, just the initial move, guys. 147 right there from BNB. So this was the start of the move, guys. This was where the things have gone crazy. Look at this crazy candle. 210%, $859. 5x leverage, 15%. Cyber, 200%. So I was expecting, actually, look at this, guys. Crazy move from Cyber today, and 394%. So I have shared all my trades earlier, and today I'm going to share with you very important charts. So stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. If you have any chart requests, let me know in the comment section down below, and we'll check it out before we end the stream. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat section down below. So BTC, guys, retested support. Right now, Bitcoin have wicked down below the support trend line and bounced back up. So this was the wick, or the stop hunt, that I was talking about this morning, guys, because I was in a group of whales. It was actually a club, and they are talking about the possible dump today, guys. And this was the news that caused the dump. Bitcoin spot ETF proposals to be rejected by the Securities and Exchange Commission. So this is one of the reasons why, and of course there are some other reasons as well that affected the market. So Bitcoin right now is still hovering inside the support trend line, guys. and we still have the oscillator looking bearish on the 4-hour time frame. And as what I've mentioned on my yesterday's video, most of these altcoins are forming a bearish divergence in the 4-hour time frame. And that is why I have warned the community today to stay on sideline and be careful with long position. So Bitcoin is still on its way to this support, guys. Right now, it looks like that we are breaking below the support trend line. So in my own opinion, by the way, all charts in CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. So I would wait for the oscillator to reach the oversold area before I FOMO in or get into a new trade. Right now, I would wait, guys. I would wait for the market to stabilize and wait for a confirmation. So I'm gonna wait for this oscillator to reach the oversold area, and let's see if the price is still hovering inside the support. Then probably we'll go on a long position. But if the 4-hour candle will close below the support trend line, guys,
I got a bad feeling about this.
that will be our first confirmation of a possible further move to the downside. But right now, this remains valid, guys. We are still trading inside this ascending triangle pattern. And of course, this was a failed retest of support here. We are expecting a retest of support, and the support did not hold, guys. That is why we are seeing the price revisited the support trend line and a stop hunt today, guys. Most of our altcoins have dropped hard today because of Bitcoin, guys. Again, I'm gonna tell you that Bitcoin, if Bitcoin dropped by 5 to 10%, majority of the altcoins will drop by double or triple, 20% up to 50%. So be careful, be extra careful in trading altcoins, especially if you're trading with leverage. So mostly I am trading this altcoin list here, blue chips, major cryptos, because the volatility is not similar to micro caps and altcoins like this. Look at this, 500%. How are you going to manage this kind of move, guys? Another one is ENS. Look at this. It dropped by how many percent? Dropped by 22% and then pumped crazy, guys. So again, if you're trading leverage, be extra careful. We are going to see a lot of this in the next bull run, guys, in the coming bull run. So this 2024, 2025, we are going to see a lot of this move, guys. 50% move, 60% move is going to be normal in the coming bull market. So halving also is coming. We are 109 days away from the next Bitcoin halving. So watch out. This could be another catalyst in the market that could trigger a price surge for Bitcoin, guys. So, and by the way, most of you, majority, are asking for which type of indicator am I using. So I'm using ChartPrime, guys. ChartPrime is a paid indicator, and right now they have a 50% promo, and also they have a risk-free trial, 7 days risk-free trial. So if you want to check it out, if you want to level up your game, check out ChartPrime, guys. Next chart is Ethereum. Let's go on and check the weekly time frame. So for Ethereum, again, we have seen a wick down here, breakout retest area, So we have seen the retest again here. But again, the weekly candle is very, very important, guys. So the confirmation that we are looking at, if the weekly candle closes below $2,190, then that could be the signal that this breakout will be invalidated. For now, on the weekly time frame, $2,500 target remains the same medium-term target. All right. Next one is let's go check out the major cryptos here. We have chart request, Filecoin. Let's check out Filecoin. This is from M. Umar. New target this year for Filecoin. So let's go check out Filecoin, guys. Crazy, crazy. Move from people. Look at this pump and dump scheme, guys. Crazy. Be careful, extra careful in trading these altcoins.
I got a bad feeling about this.
So, and by the way, let me show you some of the trades, by the way, in our Discord community, guys. So BNB have hit our final target here, the top of the wedge, and we have taken profit already for this one. So congratulations to those who were able to get into the trade. This was the initial update here. BNB, same trade setup. I have explained this trade on my latest video. This was the call 340, 337. We have hit, I think, the 337 area today. So congratulations, guys, to those who were able to get into the trade. This was my initial entry here for BNB. So I have shared my initial entry, guys. Congratulations. And also Polkadot, beautiful move from Polkadot. We have hit our targets before the dump. What else do we have here? Near Protocol, ADA. This was the previous trades here. Ethereum, same target. What else do we have? So BNB cup and handle pattern. This was the previous trade, guys, when BNB was trading at around $260 area. I have already shared this one right here. This trade setup for BNB. We have hit the $300 area. Beautiful, beautiful trade for BNB. This was the original cup and handle pattern, guys. Let me share it with you very quickly before we move on to Filecoin. So $300 area was hit, and today we are still trading at around $317 area. Again, if you have watched my previous video yesterday, BNB is forming a bull flag, guys, on the daily time frame. Look at this. We have a bull flag here. Again, this was a stop hunt today. Luckily, we are able to take profit at around this area today in our Discord community. And if you're going to measure this one, guys, if you're going to measure the length of this one right here, drag it up here, we are going to get this breakout, ideal breakout target, $360 for BNB. So keep an eye on that area. BNB is forming a bull flag on the daily time frame. Just be careful with this stop hunt and liquidation wick. So we'll check Filecoin before we end the stream. Filecoin. Also keep an eye on DYDX, guys. Filecoin. All right. So Filecoin was on its way to, this was the previous spot buy zone, and we have several bearish divergence here forming in the oscillator. Of course, this is using CHARTPRIME, guys. CHARTPRIME Oscillator Pro. And right now, we are seeing a dump again, guys, dump, because Bitcoin have dropped by 8% today. Most of our altcoins have dropped crazy, guys, 30% for Filecoin. So long term, could you have a look at CFX from Lancelot Canoy? So we'll check it out after Filecoin. So new target this year. So probably, guys, we are expecting a. Let me just delete this. I think this trade was. We have hit our target for that one. So let's try to check Filecoin. This is for perpetual chart. We'll check the spot chart for Filecoin. So for Filecoin, if you're going to zoom out, Filecoin looks like still in a consolidation zone, guys. If you're going to zoom out, we are still in an overall consolidation zone here. We are looking at this. So probably Filecoin might revisit the lower areas. This could be the area here, the next spot buy area. So keep an eye on this level, guys. So for Filecoin, so this could be our spot buy zone. Again, we have a low OB level on the daily time frame at around this area right here. So this could be our spot buy zone. So that will be around 3.2 up to 4.6 area, spot buy zone for long term. This coming 2024 up to 2025. So let's try to check the Fibonacci retracement level. Let's just try to be conservative here. So we'll check this swing high and swing low. So probably we might be looking at around $18. So 612.18, that is going to be 3x. But if we are going to measure, let's just try to measure the previous all-time high, guys. All right, let's just try to measure this one here. This is still, again, a conservative target. So let's try to measure it from its previous all-time high. So up to this level here. Then we are looking at minimum, the next bull market at $92, guys. So at the current price, that will give us 1,300% from the current level. And if we are lucky enough to buy it from this buy zone, then we might see a 2,000 up to 3,000% gain for Filecoin minimum in the next bull market, guys. So according to this Fibonacci retracement level, I have measured this from the previous swing high 237 and swing low here. We're just looking at a conservative target for Filecoin, which is $91. That will give us 3,000%.
Let's go!
All right, so that's for Filecoin, guys. I'm gonna share it in our. I'm gonna share this chart in our Discord community. So feel free to check it out. I'm gonna share this in our long-term portfolio. All right. 2024. All right. So next one is we have CFX. Let's check this one out before we end the stream. CFX. just check out this preview strong here. Let's just all right. So for CFX, we have actually a trend here. Right. CFX. All right, so we have actually a trend for CFX. I think it's better to wait for the daily candle to close. Well, let's wait for confirmation, guys. If the daily candle closes below the support, guys, that will be a bearish confirmation for CFX. But if the daily candle closes inside here, this level, inside the support trend line, then that could be a signal for a possible long, guys. We might see a bounce from this level here if the candle closes above the support trend line. But if it closes below, then we might be looking for a possible short position at around this area on the retest of support, guys. So that's for CFX on the daily time frame. Right now, the oscillator is still looking very weak. I think volume is not there right now for CFX. Volume is very low right now. That's why we're not seeing a significant move for CFX. So this will be the level that you need to keep an eye on, 0.91, 0.19, guys. So keep an eye. Daily candle close above 0.19 will be a long confirmation, while daily candle closing below the support will be a short confirmation. All right, so that's it for today, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, like and subscribe if you are new to this channel, and if you are enjoying this kind of content, click that notification bell and trade safely, protect your asset at all times. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.